I don't know if you know who I'm talking about. His name is Jesus. Jesus. Oh, no. I see the smile on this man. Come, my brother. Come. If you see the one that have seen Jesus, you will know. If you see the smile on his face as he was mentioning that name. His name is what? Jesus. That's the only name that can save. I'm telling you, that's the only name that can save. Because you call that name, you are saved. My brother, you are saved. No. I say you are saved. Jehovah, thank you because what you did in my life, you will do in his life. Even greater thing you shall do in his life. In the name of Jesus. If you believe in this prayer and you want it to work for you, I mean, if you genuinely want to see Jesus today, stand up and shout 700 Jesus. Let's go!